Hey Tuck followers, Keith here to show you the brand new Casper Glow. Ta-da! This smart bedtime light was designed by Casper to help ease you in and out of sleep. And it's meant for somebody who's a little groggy, so you can control it via gestures or via the app, which we'll take a look at in a little bit. You can pair up to 6 of these together, which is quite cool. You can flip it over to turn it off, flip it back over to turn it on. You can spin it to adjust the brightness, and after it's been turned off, you can shake it and it'll dimly light your way to the bathroom, to the kitchen, anywhere you need to go in the middle of the night. We've all experienced that horrible, jarring feeling of having to flip on a light in the middle of the night and it wakes you up and makes you feel disoriented. Nobody likes it. Casper's designed this light to help you avoid that situation entirely. Now, I just did all of the gestures on the base, but you actually do not need to be on the base for those to work. You can even do them on any surface. Some surfaces obviously work better than others. This thing needs to be able to slide easily, but you can use it anywhere. A few technical specs. So this is actually a warm 2700K LED light. It doesn't have any of those harmful blue light rays that are gonna keep you up and disturb your sleep patterns. Also, this is a plastic light. It's designed to be durable. So you can drop it, your kids can play with it, and it's really meant for everyday use and to be able to take a beating. So the app connects to the Glow via Bluetooth. When you turn it on, you just hit this and it will search for your light and find it. Now, controlling the Glow via the app is really easy. It's one touch, turn it off and turn it on. So you go into controls, you can adjust the brightness, and you can adjust the dimming time from 15 minutes all the way up to 90 minutes in 15-minute intervals. You can pause the dimmer by either pressing this button on the lower right-hand corner of the app, or through pressing the top button on the Glow. So I can set the wake up as well. Jumping in here, let's say I want to wake up at 7:15, and the Glow gradually gets brighter for up to 30 minutes. I'm gonna actually have it set at 15 minutes. So then it's turned on here and the light will start at, say, something like this at 7:15, and by 7:30, it'll be full brightness. So there you have it, the Casper Glow. You can purchase a single Glow, or you can purchase packs of 2. And again, like I mentioned before, you can pair up to 6 at one time. If you want to see the full written review, check out tuck.com. We also have all the best deals on every sleep product you could possibly be looking for, so check it out. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. And if you have any questions about this product, go ahead and leave a comment on the video below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much for watching and sleep tight.